this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change the spark plug in an 50cc moped. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So I am upgrading the spark plug in this taotao 50cc moped, and I went ahead and bought this autolite spark plug from Walmart, and this will be the C7HSA NGK spark plug. So it's very easy to replace. I went ahead and took off the seat. There's 4 bolts on the top and the bottom. You just go ahead and undo, and then you can lift the seat up out of there. And I just have the seat to the side right here. So it'll sit down in there like that. You just take off the bolts and you can gain easy access to the engine area. Alright, so let's take the new spark plug out and put it in the moped. Now, I already have the old spark plug out and it's to the side. So this is the old one and this is the new one on my left hand. And to remove the spark plug, I just use this ratchet and a 5/8. And this will go ahead and easily fit right here perfectly. Then, to find the spark plug cap, located right here, on my 50cc moped, it was located to the side of my engine. Now it's not this black cap right here, it's actually on the side over here. So it'll sit in here just like that. And then you'll have to use your ratchet and ratchet it out once you have the spark plug cap out. Now, this cap, you can see there is like a little hole right here. So it's going to be sitting upright. You have to turn it and twist it. Then this hole right here, you can pull it out and that will come off then. So now that I have that off, all I have to do is put the new one in. So let's put this in. Now I'm going to use my hands just to get in a little bit more. Now, when you put the new spark plug in, make sure you have this cap off. I completely forgot about it. So this will just spin off just like this. And then you can place it in and it will actually fit in. So put this down to the side and then this will go in pretty easily from there on out. So I already have it on and just rotate and turn. Boom. And my spark plug is now in. All I have to do is crank it and start it up and see if it works. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.